IPPoE speaker systems offer an organization the most advanced and affordable audio communication system. These systems have replaced old-school analog systems that required head-end equipment and service contracts. Contemporary systems are easy to install, simple to use, and maintenance-free. These types of systems are excellent for operations and emergency communications in schools, college campuses, and manufacturing plants. Operational attributes include the ability to play tones at a scheduled time, in addition to making live broadcasts throughout the whole facility or specific zones. This is perfect to signal class changes in a K-12 school or breaks in a manufacturing environment. Additionally, live broadcasts or announcements can be performed from any authorized PC. Audio communication is paramount in any type of emergency communications. In an emergency situation, be it weather or man-made, it is the responsibility of the organization to notify employees, staff, visitors, and students. A broadcast audio system is the most effective way. With an IPPoE paging system, you are able to do that from multiple points, from any PC that's been given authorization, or by deploying panic buttons at key locations throughout your facility. Quick emergency notifications can save lives. Isn't that the point of an emergency communication system? Let us help you come up with the best solution at the most affordable price to fit your facility. Please reach out to us, 800-964-5749, or contact us by hitting the quick quote button today.